At times, production processes suffer stoppages due to problems generated by the inadequate maintenance of machines. Are you aware of the stoppage cost of your machine? Have you calculated the time and resources you will need to restart the production process? Would you like to optimize your preventive maintenance policy and make your production processes more efficient? We present you our Grab Connect remote control service. Grab Connect allows you the continuous remote monitoring, assessment and control of the machine, and you can also program it and adjust it in real time. Our machines incorporate an automaton, and as you can see in the image, you will be able to visualize in real time the operating pressure, the oil temperature and level, the opening and closing commands and times, the number of maneuvers and the hours of work, among other parameters. In addition, you will be notified by email and text message each time an event occurs, any incident, stoppage or anomaly is detected, or the change of different components and spare parts is foreseen. Thanks to our remote continuous maintenance service, you will always have our technical support service team at your disposal. The latter will control your machines daily, generating every 500 hours a report about their status and maintenance. Also, you will not have to worry about the supply of necessary components and spare parts, since our maintenance service organises and manages even the shipment of these components and parts. This service is an ideal tool to carry out the preventive maintenance and the control of operations, including the setting up, adjustment and modification of parameters. If you want your machines to always be controlled and operational and to never stop working, do not hesitate to get in contact with us either via our website, telephone or email. STEMM, Revolutionizing Industry 4.0.